In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animation in Jitter video. This handy capability can make your projects more dynamic and engaging, whether you're creating a presentation, a social media post, or any other form of video content. Adding animations can be a powerful way to communicate your message more effectively. To get started, you need to navigate to the Jitter platform. Once there, head over to the Drafts section. Here you'll find all your draft projects waiting for you. Take a moment to look through your drafts and select the specific project you want to work on. This is the initial step, and it's important to start here because this is where all your creative ideas begin to take shape. Once you have your draft open, the next step is to click on the element you want to animate. Now you might wonder which elements can be animated. In Jitter, elements like images, text, or even shapes can be brought to life through animation. For this example, let's say you want to animate a picture. By clicking on it, you highlight your choice, allowing you to proceed with adding that animated touch. After selecting your element, locate the Animate button. Clicking this button opens up a new realm of possibilities where you can truly make your project come alive. Now click on the New Animation option. This is where the fun begins, as you enter the creative zone where you can start visualizing how your animation will look in its final form. With your animation window open, it's time to choose an effect that suits your project's theme or mood. Jitter offers various options, and one such example is the mask effect. Selecting a mask can give your animation a polished, professional look, and is great for making different segments of your video stand out or creating transitions between different scenes. The final and crucial step in this process is to adjust the settings of your animation. This includes modifying aspects like the duration and speed of your animation. These settings allow you to tailor the flow of your video exactly as you envision. Perhaps you want a quick, snappy animation to catch attention, or maybe a slower, more graceful effect to convey elegance. Spend a bit of time experimenting with these settings to ensure you're creating the perfect animation for your project. By following these steps, you've now successfully added animations to elements within Jitter. This skill can greatly enhance the quality and appeal of your videos. Remember to preview your final product to see how the animation blends with the overall aesthetics. And that's all for today's tutorial. Happy animating!